This year we've had over 1,200 calls around how workshops can keep service books consistent, protect their customers' history and avoid gaps where the paper book goes missing. We sought out a solution. By the end of this video, you will know what a digital service book actually is and why manufacturers are moving this way, how it works in practice for independent workshops, the benefits of uploading a service history digitally, how it compares to traditional service books, and the support available to get set up. For years, service history was kept in paper books. The problem is these books go missing, get damaged, or end up incomplete when a car changes hands. More and more manufacturers now rely on online digital records as a way of officially logging services and repairs. If you're not equipped to update a car's service history, then a customer may be forced back to the dealer to keep their records up to date. We found a service that helps you do just that. It's called Digital Service Book. With it, you get access to update customers' vehicles' service and repairs in one portal across lots of different manufacturers. Most independents don't usually have the means to upload a manufacturer's digital service record. You would need the OE subscription and access to a portal, and in some instances, extra security clearance. For many garages, that's either too costly or simply unrealistic. This product simplifies the whole process for workshops. You register your workshop only once on the platform. It's a simple application with your company details, VAT registration, workshop credentials, and a fee to set you up. From that point on, every manufacturer is available. Whether you're uploading for BMW, Mercedes, or Ford, the format is exactly the same, keeping it consistent and easy. Your team spends less time wrestling with admin, more time on the repair, and your customer leaves with a complete professional service record which keeps them coming back. When you're logged in, Digital Service Record acts like one central hub. From there, you add the service details, the mileage, any repair work you've carried out, and your notes, and click on Submit. Every update creates a record that you can share or print for your customer, giving them proof of a manufacturer-approved service history. Subscriptions are straightforward. Instead of paying brand by brand, you pay by vehicle, and at the moment that's €7 a vehicle, or discounted if you purchase in bulk. For Digital Service Book, your customers also get an app. For them, it means the entire service history is right there on their phone. No more digging through paperwork, no risk of losing the book, and no doubts about whether a service is complete. They can see every record that you've logged and stay connected with you. They know when their next service is due, and that keeps that communication going between you and your customer. And when they eventually sell the car, the full digital history is there, which increases buyer confidence and resale value. What does Digital Service Book actually give you? What are the pros and cons? It has one platform with all the brands. You have professional records, there's time saved, and also compliance. For vehicles under warranty, keeping the service book updated digitally is now mandatory. It's not a diagnostic platform, so it doesn't replace Otis or any of the other OE software platforms. This is purely about service records. It's a paid-for service, so you'll want to weigh up how many cars you're seeing per month to weigh up the ROI. For most independent garages, we believe the trade-off is worth it. So the benefits far outweigh the limitations, like time saving, but you need to do the maths. You need to look at how many cars you're seeing and how much time you're going to save to know whether it's worth it. Now let's talk about cost, because that's usually the first question garages ask. The standard license is €75 a month. The OE Pro is €140 a month. Now for the OE Pro, you'll have an initial setup fee for registration with other manufacturers, which is €335, and that covers every single manufacturer. There's a per upload fee for a push up to a manufacturer's portal, and that's €7 a vehicle, but you can buy those in bulk. That's Digital Service Book in a nutshell. It's a simple platform that gives the independent workshop the same level of service history as the dealer network. For your workshop, it's about future-proofing. Having the ability to access and upload digital service history is crucial. If you want to learn more or start using it in your workshop, you can drop a comment below or contact us at sales@maverickdiagnostics.com.